Hello, welcome to Chapter 1 We the Travelers 1. People have always been interested in traveling. Long ago, there was no cars, bus, trains. People used animal drawn carts, bicycles, and on foot for traveling. Both were the one of the first form of transport made by humans. Over a long time, we have made many types of vehicles to travel faster and easier. Let us ask the question. When was the last time you went on trip? How did you travel? By using bus, train, car? What the source you used for? Here, reading and writing large numbers. How do you write the numbers to show 1,000 objects? Let us start with 1,000. What number do we get when we keep on adding 1,000? 1,000 plus 1,000 is equal to 2,000. 2,000 plus 1,000 is equal to 3,000. Keep on adding 8,000. 8,000 plus 1,000 is equal to 9,000. What number do we get when we add 1,000 to 9,000? We get 10,000. How do we write this number? Here, look at the table below. Notice the pattern of writing numbers. In the place value chart, we have added another column TTH. It stands for 10,000. In the table, from our right side, the last value is known as ones, which then the second value is known as tens. 10 ones is equal to 110 equal to 10. Then the third value is known as hundreds. That means 10 tens is equal to 100, which is 100. Then the fourth value is known as 1,000, which is 10 hundreds is equal to 1,000. Then the fifth value is known as 10,000, which is in the same way 10,000 is equal to 10,000. We use comma to read the larger number easily. Here we use the same 10 digit 0 to 9 in different places to write large numbers. For example, 1,380, here there is 1,000, then 300, then there is 80, which is 8 tens. 8 tens is given. There is no ones value. So here 1,000, then 300, 8 tens, 0 ones. Then 9,123. Here there are 9 tens and 100. There is 20, which is 2 tens, and the last value, which is ones, there is 3 value, which is 3 ones. 9,000, then 100 plus 2 tens plus 3 ones. Let us see how we write beyond 10,000 and how we name them. Let us look on the example given. Here, 10,001 is given. Here, 10,000, the value is 1. Then 1,000 value is 0. 100 value is 0. 10 tens value is 0. Here, the last one, ones is 1. Here, 10,001 is given. Same as here, 10,002. Here, the first value is known as 10,000. Then the 1,100 tens is 0, 0, 0. Next ones is 2. Here, 10,010, where the tens value is 1 here. Here, 10,024. Here, first 10,000 is 1. Then 1,000 and hundreds are 0. After that, tens there is 2. That is here 2. The ones value is 4, which is 10,024. After that, here we have 10,030, 33, which is in 10,000 value 1, then 1,000 hundreds value is 0, 0, then here tens value is 30, so 3. After that, in one's value, the value is 3. Let us take the value. 10,458. Here, 10,000 value is 1. Then the 1,000 value is 0. Then hundreds value is 4. Tens value is 5. And the ones value is 8. Which is 10,458. Let me recall you. From the right side, we have to take the first value is ones, the second value is tens, the third value is hundreds, the fourth value is 1,000, and the fifth value is 10,000. Here are some examples. We can work on it. Okay, let us see. Here, let us write the numbers from the given token. 10,000 is 1, then 1,000 is 1, 100 is given twice, so 2, tens is given once, then ones is given fours. We can write it in number name, which is 11,214. Next, here there is one 10,000, then 3,000. Here hundreds, there is 5, then in tenth there is 20, which is 2, then in ones which is 0, which is 13,520. Here there is only 20,000. In 10,000 the value is 2. After that the 1,000, hundreds, tens, ones are 0, which is 20,000. After that, here we have 4 10,000, which is 40,000. After that, we have 5,000. The third one, 100 place, we have 8, which is 800. And in the 10th place, which we have 66. Then in the ones place, we have 7, which is 45,867. Okay. Let us do filling the blanks by continuing the pattern in each of the following sequence. Discuss the pattern in class. Here, there are different patterns in each subpart. We have to identify in which pattern this is working on. Here, for using this term, we have to subtract the first term from second one. For example, 567 minus 456 equal to 111. Thus, a pattern is adding that 456 plus 111 equal to 567 and 567 plus 111 equal to 678. We have to add the same way. That means 678 plus 111 equal to 789. Next 789 plus 111 equal to 900. After that, we have to add 900 plus 111 equal to 1011. Next, here 1011 plus 111 equal to 1122. This is the first two subpart A's answered. Then let us identify the subpart B. Here, the second value is missing. Then we can take subtract third term from fourth term. Let me show you. 4,200 minus 3,150 equal to 1,050. The pattern is the difference between the terms is 1,050. 1,050 plus 1,050 is equal to 2,100. Then 4,200 plus 1,050 is equal to 5,250. 5,250. Next, 5,250 plus 1,050 is equal to 6,300. Next, 6,300 plus 1,050 is equal to 7,350. You have to add the value, the different value. Okay. After that, in part C, the difference between these two is equal to 6,401 minus 5,051 equal to 900. We have to add 900 for the values. 7,301 plus 900 is equal to 8,201. Okay. 8,201 plus 900 is equal to 9,101. Then 9,101 is plus 900 is equal to 10,001. Then 10,001 plus 900 is equal to 10,901. These are the answer parts of part C. Then the difference between these two is equal to 1,200 minus 1,100 is equal to 100. We have to add 100. That means 1,300 plus 100 is equal to 1,400. This is so on. Which means we are adding the value. We are adding the 100 value. Okay. From the previous one. $10,600 plus 100 is equal to 10,700. 10,700 plus 100 is equal to 10,800. 800 plus 100 is 10,900. Here it is 11,000. Okay, this is the pattern for subpart D. Then for part E, here the difference is 20. That means 10,105 minus 10,125, which is 20. We have to add the value, which is 45. That means adding the value 20. 20 means 10,145 plus 20 is equal to 10,001. 10,165. Next, 10,165 is equal plus 20 is equal to 10,185. Then 10,185 plus 20 is equal to 10,205. We have to add on 20, so on. Okay. $245. This is the value for the part E. Here the difference is adding 1. Okay. That means 10,994 T plus 1, which is 10,994. Then adding 1 here, 10,995, 10,996, 10,997, 10,998, 10,999, which is 11,000. Next, 11,000, 11,001. Okay. Here part G, the difference between the sequence is second term minus first term. That means 10,009, 796 minus 10,794 equal to, which is 2. That means the difference is 2. We are adding 10,798 plus 2, which is 10,800 plus 2, which is 10,802, 10,804, 10,806, 10,808, 10,810, 10,810, then 10,812, which is the answer for part G. After that, here the difference between the H part, we have to subtract second term minus first term equal to, which is minus 1,001. That is, here the sequence is getting reduced. Now our value 72,004 minus 1,001 equal to 71,003. By repeating this, that means taking the term minus 001. Using that term, we are doing this sequence 7002. 70,002. 70,002 minus 1,001, which is 69,001. 69,001 minus 1,001 is 68,000. Then 68,000 minus 1,001 is equal to 66,999. 66,999 minus 1,001 is equal to 65,998. Then subtracting again, which gives 64,997. Then subtracting the previous term by 1,001, which is 63,996. This is the answer for term H. For the last part I, here we have to take the value second term 83,350 minus 82,350, which is equal to 100. That means we are adding term 1,000 plus 1,000. Let us add the term previous term by 1,000. Then it is 84,350. In next one, 85,350. Then 86,350. 87,350. 88,350. 89,350. Adding the previous term by 1,000 we are doing here. 90,350. 91,350. Here, fill in the blanks approximately. Use commas as required. Here, the first number is given. Number name we should given here. This is 80,045, which is correctly written. Here we have to write 70,209. Okay. Seven 1,209. Next, this is 10,599. Here, which is 10,743. Okay. Next, here, which is 20,869, which is correctly given. Here, 13,579. Okay. Here, 10,010, which is 10,000, 10,010. Next, 56,491. Here in before of 100 we have to add comma. Next, here 45,000 45. Here we have to give gaps. Then 39,579. 193. Here 50,005. Next here 26,050. Here 81,200. Here 90,009, which is 90,009. Then 23,230. Here 36,001. Okay. Now coming to the question number 3. Arrange the numbers below in increasing order. You can use the number line below if required. Here we have to arrange the given numbers in the form of ascending. That means increasing order. Smallest to highest. The smallest value here is 0 to in between of 20,000. We have to select the number. This is 40,000, 34,000, 40,000, 34,000, 73,000, 74,000, 47,000, 18,000. Here 18,000. 9, 2, 6. Then after that 20 to the 40,000, there is which one? 34,000, 34,400 something. It is smallest one. Next one is 34,740 is next highest. After that 40,000, which is 40,347. Next value, which is 40,473. Here 300 is less than, then 400 is greater than. After that 47,000. Where it is? Let us have a check. This number we have taken. After that 34, this one, 40,000, this one. Next 47,000. We are taking this one. 47,340. Apart from that, we have done this one. Here the two numbers which comes under this category, which is 73,401. The next number is 74,430. This is the order. That means 18,926 is first one, then 34,407 is second one, 34,740 is third one, 40,347 is fourth one, 40,473 is third one. Next 47,340 is sixth one, 73,404 is seventh one, and 74,430 is eighth number. Okay.